Okay. The pho is here. Dahil malaki, hinati namin. Kasi ito po siya. Ito yung bowl ko. Nalagyan nyo ng toge at saka, is this mint, Dada? Or basil? Mint, no? It's huge. Okay, so meron siyang karne, saka rice noodles, ganito. Yes. Kasi tingnan nyo naman ang serving. And so, then one serving is this. Ayan po, napakalaki. Isang serving lang yan. Parang tatlo yan, sweetheart, yung pwedeng tatlong tao. Apat pa nga. So we're all, yan. Tensya na po kayo. Phone lang gamit ko. Tapos, here baby, here.
Do you put this one?
What did you say?
No po. Kami naman ni Yeye. Pero sige.
Oh, but... Okay, okay.
Yay!
Wala pala akong kalbo, sorry.
No, you're very pretty. I have very pretty daughters and a very
Yeah, a
handsome
little
son.
bit. Ito po, this is the restaurant po where minsan pagtapos po ng class, diretso ako dito. Sila po ng tao dito naglalakad lang o kaya sasakay ng tren. Si Mami of course social, kailangan mag-Uber.
Naglakad ako kahapon.
No, pero opo, nag-enjoy naman si Mami dito, naglalakad-lakad.
Kasi yung balakang ko.
Mami, wait, ang cute-cute kaya ng sweater mo. Sorry, I know. This is everybody wants to see that.
Nung maliit si Kaki, sinasabi instead of cute, they're cute. Kaya cute. So hanggang ngayon gamit namin ang cute naman. So when I see my kids, I always ask, am I cute? How cute your nails? Wait, I have to show your nails. It's green ba?
Yeah, they're like, but look, do you see they're like marble?
Yeah. Medyo lens pa sa kuko. Mga uso ngayon. Okay. Kaki. Does it see you? That's my baba. Yeli's my bunny. Googie is my Bubsy. Sige lang. Anong tawag dyan sa ano? Yung hindi mo ma-feel insatiable sa pagkain. Lovey, how's your soup and your nose? You love this, diba? Use your words, anak. Use your words. Huwag tayo puro sign language. I'm so sorry. Let's go. I will cut that. Babs, masarap ba yung noodles? This lang. Masarap ba, love? Oh, he's using his words. Praise God. Kasi usually sign language eh. Okay, kakain po muna kami. Pero magre-review pa. Magre-review. Kunyari kumakain tayo magkakasama. Mamaya po.